With glow tips, glow chat, glow fun. Knowing to who we belong. We grow in beauty, wiser and strong. Glow up and see who you can be. Glow up.
Hi Glow Getters. Alright, so today's video we're gonna surprise Jada, who celebrated her birthday on the 22nd, and so we're just gonna do a little fun outing together as a Glow Up team. Alright, so we have Jada and she has no idea where we're going, so let's continue the surprise. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You excited?
Yeah, because I don't know where I'm going. Right. Hey guys, right now we're at a place with a place and in another place, but I still don't know where I'm going.
She still has no clue where we're going, what we're doing.
And she passed so many places that I thought
she's just
I was
making
going
so
to.
much noise at my ears.
I was
like,
making noise.
Right here.
You serious? Is there someone stepping touch you?
There's path cup.
It's not somebody you're calling.
Okay. Alright, so Shania has joined us and Jada still has no idea where we're going.
You guys need to tell me.
Where do you want to go for your birthday?
It doesn't matter where, I just want to know where we're going so I can, prepare my mind and prepare my mood to say, alright, we're going to expand for
Alright, so Jada, where do you want to go?
I want to go for drinks.
Alright, so tell the people how old you are.
I'm 18.
She's 18 now. So what do you think about being 18? What are you expecting from your 18th year?
What am I expecting?
If you're an adult now, you can vote, you can drink here in Jamaica. Like, what do you want to do?
Yeah, legal.
You're legal. What do you want to do?
What I want to do?
3 expectations that I have for my 18th year would be 1, to pass all my CAPE examinations. 2, to be able to be successful in any area of my life, whether it be academically, socially, just anything really. And the 3rd expectation would be to be in tune with myself and just get to know myself better, and also to be happier and filled with more joy, and just to enjoy life as it is, just being unapologetically me.
You are beautiful, you are amazing, you are capable of wonderful things.
Hold your head up. Keep your hopes high and push.
Prioritize what is important.
Stay aligned with your goals.
Put things into perspective for your future or for where you want to see yourself in the next 5 to 10 years.
You are very smart. You are very determined. And in the future, you might not always have things figured out, but that is why you serve God, and that is why you believe in God, because He always has a plan. And His plans are to prosper you, and His plans will take care of you.
you try something else and you fail, but that doesn't mean you can't bounce back and glow.
Keep pushing, keep pressing. When I look at you, I see greatness. A ball of greatness ready to explode.
Believe that, regardless of what anybody has to say.
Alright, so I got stout. Jada got strawberry cheesecake. And Shania got cookies and cream. So this is the end of our little night out. We're gonna go home. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and
Oh, hey guys, remember, glow up and see who you can be.